our giant fruit bat. She's not quite completely giant, diba? Well, she's still young. And some people think that bats are very scary monsters, right? Scary ba sila? Yes, actually they're a very gentle creature. She uses her wings to fly. E mapapansin niyo, diba? May dalawang tongue siya. So she uses it to move to the branches looking for fruits and berries. Yes, boss, get on this? Let's go back. But everybody's wondering, why do bats hang upside down? Bakit ba sila nakabaliktad? Do you have any idea? Okay, there's a couple of reasons. But first, try this. Everybody, close your hands like this. Yeah, real time. See how much energy it takes to do that? Now relax. Relax now. What happens? You got your hands open. The bat's claws work the opposite. When she relaxes, her claws are closed. So she has to work to open them. So when she grabs into the branches at hand, she's more relaxed and comfortable. And the other reason is, di ba mapapansin nyo, yung legs niya are too thin and small, so it's not designed to walk on. So she cannot take off from the ground like a bird. Gagawin niya, she has to climb up into the higher place, just like that, and actually fall into the ground. All of you, please protect your plants in the wild before they disappear forever.